Lagos Avenue. We near Castle Namia Aduma 8 December to 14 December. We have 10% free promo discount. Back to Pollution. I'll say, oh, they for 39.40 Dibra. And I teach you Dibra. Dr. Like Dibra. NTV Studios for the Dibra.
Okay, so Ahano, yeah, offer services to set fabric, pedicure, braids. We even do pixie cut as well. Yeah, all that.
Yeah.
Your chips are not left out, everyone. And complimentary to the services, we have refreshments like tea, whatever, champagne, sweet wine, and all that. No, every day, anytime. No. It's free. It's part of the services.
Free. My idea. It's a regular salon be but also boy manager. I'm sure. One
of beauty.
Stacy, can't that man have enough. I Frank way. No, need not started. Also, no, when this is what you may not say, I'm just I'm gentle. And young to son and young to Anna. That's me. Now, I will be blame who should to know. Station wine. No, God, me too. Oh, to know food to know. To George, no bit my kind. Only I can answer. What kind? Tia Johnny Palmer do preview on you. God, Jimmy, that's where Jimmy with the other. Now we cross him out. And you couldn't catch him say, yeah, the car was a means to me from my spare. And then I must find you by me. I'm not station. Go na de kama mate. Action of food to a camp. Why you say, go jump truck, glasses go in your assassin. Nancy was more deep. Me wa hani are you station for you, Cassa, Yabu, would do come on, buy what come at Yaba. Kick, I'm some mammy and to my idea. No, say, I'm not coming here. Or no by station, I'm a mini hat. Or by station or by Faka. Or by night to Samate can. And you papa could pay any woman. I buy no show for treasure, stamp. And why I said, yes. And why I said, any penny is from. I go from where I treasure. Yes, Legon. I said, as a wooden so many. And I'm saying, it's Wabaya. And why you so big? Canning now, 2 young fan of that's what Takano. That's a dropping on. Yes, I. When the puck will do Quamua. What tribe you near wood in what packet car catch again? So, who was what tribe you would not get it again? A channel, local treasures. May say, a 2 times where to me off again, or again, doing like I said. That treasures later again, it's again, Harry. And again, also in and I'll take care as a question. I didn't complain about again, it complain about the same thing. I'm it's me, I'm at my permanent station. Oh, my Jano Kamajal, and one and no small J. Can now, some more, boys, I mean, What me jike free me mean some demand mati. Now mati ni better come on. Me say that ko na fie ko tu na phone. Good. Well for me say on wa kwada dream wan hu se ka no. Am fa many pa no. E no say ja many pa. Oh, mo de ka many pa. Sometimes the problem keep to be back. O na ka say ho say as no want to pa. O nya ska. Onu na oni so wona. Ka so obenya nyina exam show. Exactly. Me me na me no na oba no atwatwa bia na ekura no. Me and me introduce you to transport business. Transport. I'm up one hour and 5 cars. Yes. Oh, right. I mean to say to you, my contract. No way. Thanks for Satavali. Shit. What from me? Shut up, Fleming. I'm so I tell me, can we stay here to say, Apple, Member Council. All set to say,
Betraso.
Gabi, also will be up no more. Also will be my emusun. Was a metram to say station. I said, oh, that. No, my piaka we now be found. No, my piaka we now be found. He says, said man, I'm a quiet man. Then Mamma will say, I'm power contract. Men in the quiet, you man, collaboration. Let me run. They say, oh, I cannot the amount. Shut one of my phone. Who says, I said, you see, some coffee. Come over. What's a flatcher?
Oh, no, I didn't assume I'm you. Ah, but it's a Casamudi and Suma cry because maybe I may make one music. They are far away. And I also am a Fenner, Fenner,
Suspect drivers will be
station. My brother,
Hakim now of the country. That's why you're here. Oh, me more from so be a shut up from some mayor, you might
of Rosie, dear as well. Station, and some nothing. Station, I'll be able to. Yes, I will shoot.
May Drapo.
It's out of
Drapo. Massa. Who said over Papa? They've been lucky. The card is here. Yes,
where are you?
Yeah.
That's 156 here.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
A friend of Frank.
No, it's saying like.
A tall guy, this the thing we got it on my phone call. It's our rough film. Yeah. But the old baby are to a car we are not pass off.
Alright.
But no, you go or cut them on the crack as on one. But I say, no mum name, so what I say. Tim Pesce, your friend of Frank. So what I say, friend of Frank now. The coho be home in Tino. Or no, whom you know, Johnny. So,
okay, what they can.
But the boy need be a Johnny will be unpummeled.
Okay.
Okay.
Understand music.
The reason I asked you to come out, or actually join me here, is you see your friend, Sandra. Lately, she's been avoiding me, she's been showing attitude. She has actually finally come out to tell me that we should end this relationship. Yes. It actually got me so frustrated.
Sandra,
not told you that you guys should
stop the relationship. I mean, can you imagine all the things that I've done for Sandra? And all of a sudden coming to tell me that she doesn't need me anymore. Even she hardly guts to tell me that she doesn't even know me, who am I, who is Mr. Cool, me, Odogu of East Legon. So I just said, all right, I'll rather call on you, being a very close friend of Sandra. You can talk to her, convince her, and let her know how sad I've become. Because me, if I lose Sandra, you seem like this, I don't mind though. I can just drink poison and then write a note down that she killed me.
Oh, Mr. Curry, it hasn't come to that, eh? And I don't even know what is wrong with Sandra. How could she say this to you? I know she loves you. Look, maybe there's something going on that I don't know.
There's nothing going on. I've not done anything wrong.
She just woke up one day and said you guys are done.
She started it, gradually it was like that, and then finally, I don't know what actually broke the camel's back. Then she just came out and said she doesn't want me again, and then we should end the relationship. So I tried to convince her, tried to talk to her, but she wouldn't listen. So I thought maybe you being a friend of hers, maybe I could put this one across to you so that you help me talk to her.
So don't worry, I will help you. Okay.
Will you help me?
I will help you. Because she didn't even talk to me about this. She didn't tell me all of these things. I didn't even know you guys were not together. Don't be sad, okay? I will talk to her. She'll come to her senses and call you. Please, just don't think about it too much. Yeah? You know your age, you are almost... You should...
But you see, love doesn't know age. Sometimes she even tells me that I do very well in bed.
Hey.
Yes.
So why is she saying all these things?
I don't know. I don't know if I just can't imagine her having another man who could be better than me.
She doesn't
in
have,
all ways.
She doesn't have any man. Eh? It is you, Mr. Okoro of East Legon. Eh?
I am the best.
Yeah. She tells me a lot about you, so don't worry. Eh? I'll talk to her. She will call you.
Okay.
She'll call you. Don't worry too much.
I'm relying on you.
Rely on me. Okay. I will talk to her. Okoro. Are you sure you're supposed to be taking this at this age?
Oh, this is something small. Don't do anything.
Did you come with your driver?
I drove myself.
Can you drive yourself back home?
I can drive myself home.
Okay.
Yes. Please rub my hair for me. And rub it. She does this thing very well. So I miss that. This is what she does so very well for me. I'm starting missing her. Sandra.
Oh, she will call you, man. She will call you.
Oh, it can see more inside.
Christian! Christian! Go fine. All right.
We are all seated here for a very good cause. Now, I came here with a crew because we have something to discuss with you. So, listen. Please, forgive them, okay? He doesn't even know what he did wrong. He doesn't even know what's going on. So, at least, please, just give him like a second chance.
Yes, a second chance.
Yes, that's what we are pleading for. We just want you to give him a second chance.
Yes.
Yes, you see, he's not even himself. He has lost weight, a lot of things. So please just forgive him.
Yes. So if I'm served with breakfast, I can't even eat breakfast. In the office, I can't concentrate. Last I lost about $300,000 because I was just thinking of my Sandra. Whilst even calculating the money, I was just saying, my Sandra, my Sandra, my Sandra. Why should you do this to me?
Oh, that's so sweet.
Sandra, see, in this era, it's very difficult to get a good, nice man who's ready to spend on you. See the apartment, the car. Where will you get this, really good-looking man to do that for you?
Yeah, I get it.
Please, forgive the man so he can concentrate on his work, money, so he can eat.
I can't even think again.
Are you done talking?
I'm
talking to you. Are you done talking? Wow, bravo. I'm very, very disappointed in you.
Why? Why will you be disappointed?
Why will you be disappointed? Look at the way you are acting. In fact, I had the same conversation with you. In fact, you are the same person that told me that I am growing, that I need to move on. So every discussion I had with this man, you are aware of it. And then now you come back here, you sit your ass right here, and you are telling me that I should forgive him? Somebody you are trying to talk to me about? That I should move on with my life?
I didn't say move on from him. I said move on with your life.
Oh, wow.
That's what I said. Wow. I was like, move on with your life. I mean, think about your life, but with him in the picture.
The picture.
See, that's not why we are here, okay? The main reason why we're here is look at him.
Bob Marley was right. Backstabbers, Susu Ponders. So you know. So you were the one who actually was giving her ideas that she should move on. Eh?
No.
Only God knows what you might have told her about me. You could have easily even tell this lady, my Sandra, that I'm a bedwetter.
How? Like?
You could do it. For what she's telling me right now, or telling us right now, you could do it.
No.
Oh, man to man is so unjust, woman to one is so wicked. Hey!
Can we just forget about, Just, you know, the main point is just to reconcile the both of you.
Reconcile what?
The both of you.
I already told you I'm not interested in this relationship.
You see what I told you? Beware of your friends. I have been telling you, my Sandra, beware of your friends. Because this is your friend of yours. You eat and drink together. But behind you, it's susu upon you. And choke you with knife.
Huh? Okoro, please, I came here to beg on your behalf.
Will you shut up? Don't even mention it. Even mention it, you see the thing I'll do right now. What do you mean? How can you come here and you are very much aware of all this? My name is Okoro. They know me. This is Legon. Don't even try me.
I was just trying to help. I mean, everything is messed up right now. And I didn't tell her to move on from you. I just told her to, you know, think wisely, move with her life. Not with you, of course.
You told her to move on with her life so that you can have me. And you think I'm interested in you? You are not my spec, oh. You're not my spec. See my spec.
In fact.
No, not me. She.
Oh.
How can you be tired of me? She's the cause of everything.
Kokoro,
I
am tired of you. I don't want this relationship and I mean it.
But what have I done?
There's nothing you will do on this earth.
But what have I
That will
done?
make you take you.
My son, what have I done?
In fact, I wanted to get something. In case you guys want to leave, you know where to drop my keys.
Sandra, are you just...
Hey, don't talk. If you talk right now, I'll show you character.
Listen.
Listen for what?
I don't know what she's talking about.
I'll show you character. You know what love can do to somebody like me? You know what love can do to somebody? So you are a betrayer.
I'm not. Trust, I'm not.
Hey!
You were here when I was pleading on your behalf. I am not.
Human beings are bad.
Mr. Okoro, take heart. I will talk to her.
Don't Mr. Okoro me. Which heart am I going to take? When you're the heart that somebody like my Sandra is having, you say I should take the heart back from her. So you are so much aware of all these things.
I wasn't aware. She told me, of course, but I didn't know it was that serious.
You wanted me. But let me tell you, I don't want you. You're not my spec. My Sandra is my spec. Just make sure Sandra changes her mind.
She will change her mind, don't worry.
Hey, you want to joke with me?
No.
Go to East Legon.
No, I'm not joking with you.
East side.
I'm not joking.
I'm not west side though.
She will come back, don't worry, Just calm down. She will...
Warn yourself, oh. Warn yourself.
She will come back.
I said warn yourself.
Because right now, Ella, or Fremia, or because of car, we need busy. I mean, Timmy Yamreman. And I was again into you, be also be Timmy Yamreman. And I need Timmy car, driving the Hamija.
Ọ̀pá ọ̀dọ́ ọ̀nà ọ̀bẹ tí wà sí o. Onímọ̀júmọ̀ àwọn yẹ. Ẹ̀júmọ̀ àwọn yẹ ntẹ̀nà fàákù. Ẹ̀ka ẹ̀júmọ̀ ẹni wà ẹ̀kyinà wà. Mi sẹ́ abúlé tó ma sẹ́. Hey.
But don't say, oh, you need different from me.
Sandy.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine.
You're looking good.
Thank you.
Hello.
Yeah.
How are you?
George.
You don't speak Chi?
Oh, I do. My country man.
Hey, send us
okay.
around your cousin.
Yeah. Okay. Make your first time on the class.
Yeah.
Madam Fulu, the customer. Yeah. The friend is Sandra. Sandra, George is me. My name is Tiffy. Minia.
As a young
Me, yes. The customer.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
And you two is my brother.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we stay in the same house.
Okay.
One
Yeah,
bedroom.
yeah, one bedroom.
Apartment.
Yeah, one apartment.
That's nice.
Oh, yeah.
You guys are very close.
Oh.
Yeah, we are very, very close.
Oh, we should know whom you are. You go see this album. On one of the Jimmy, don't want to
Just on answer the program now when
They call Madame for the one.
yes now one how play day
Oh, what's Madame to be all?
how is it going
Catch mine. Madame do a shop or they are not one of the BI because like yours.
send your workshop
Oh, yes, of course.
I said
Shop
to
for
go
ARS.
yeah this go be an also say me
But I have a shop. That was ARS.
a shop
Big boutique.
a boutique what on one
Yeah, storage.
next
ntare ne mpaboa na
I wouldn't that I saw on
oh man
I'm just saying.
catch the picture na cheche
you hold the book you hold the book
yeah
Oh, right. So I'll see you, George.
all right thank you
Okay.
your name please
Sandra
Sandra.
okay
me boy
Nice meeting you.
nice meeting you too
but my boy is here right yeah customer
Frank, open mouth, maybe a shop. Frank, open mouth on one shop. I don't know. I will know who's your way. Who's your way?
me wa hand on no buy you
My bye. And come on, okay. Send us see Casa United say, one more for so don't want to gay. Frank, one here, obey who go to Baku to have anyone ready a crowd.
yes who say me customer or customer on my girlfriend
It is an area also way.
also come here and see what I say on me dey no ko na me on na so me hu me wo he ya na oba so pedroping
Frank,
na we dey
hey, do him the
tell
fee.
me wa abena o
Do him the
I
fee.
get abena I don't like any woman o
Share.
I'm not be my all
You sure? You play around. You try to continue
I'm not playing around bro abena is my
You
woman
lose.
nothing go happen bro
This one this will be a shop or a cosmetic shop.
Gino na
About
na
boutique. Now,
it can obi ati na ma ka just me pelo
I see a kick friend am for na say.
me na mfa na dan for nem bia so obaye wo
Go see there. Go see.
sa de apple ma mo shop say
Pema music sa.
see ala uti ya so pe hia
I'm prim music ala.
uti ya
I
so
want
pe
to music so.
u pe hia
From kono ha.
utu flo
Ah, Pema we say we show it to one fentino. Who baby or shop bia na e fanboy ase matter. So kono ha.
adom say there yeah sister yako
Eh. Aka je za one plan. What matter is on me.
media ni ti hanom be kan se mo
Let's open no.
me pe wan
Na na utimi ka za one
e
plan.
won hia na me so kama asem chen ne dey me ni ndi nkomo no sa
Udi pa dia open your nko hu na so ka obi bia kire no.
eno na e force ana
Mama kan kire so.
say
I don't come on. Hello. He has a girlfriend, okay? Yeah. Okay. What are you doing? Why? And then go down. Open master, I'm a baby shop, I'm one and do a too much. So I'm going to happen myself. Where are they? Watch me. I don't buy him myself, I didn't have any free. Ah. Boy, we are new like it. We see our bass or that from that. Or baby, be shelly behind your born one thing. Was it when you see him? I don't know who is your runner. Me brama brepa and send me say to me to me so. I don't quite a papa bay. I just say can a papa bay. Also or shop top and down. Let's say wholesale here now. This is going to be 90% for shop. I don't know. This is a high shop city there. ANC Queen. Obi also didn't ANC Queen. Let's say, boy, on the Nequada. What again, Nequada? Ahuofe, apartment in the hotels in Kwa. Frank. Dear Nama Minya, maybe. Dear, I don't know. Mrs. Sammy Kalana, Minya Day. Mean, Danny Michael Jackson. Consider you go we see from Miss Legon, man. I'm so surprised. And now I'm going on this area. What team say I'm on this and be blue? Also, Miss Michelle said, I'm because I don't know. How come? Girl in Casa Munis and the Casa da for me, I just say, Open boy. And Frank, you don't mean to miss a woman plan also chess or also again. As a more than
Hello, family. Was good 3940. Guess what? NKB Studios free access to his unreleased movies on YouTube. Unreleased movies on YouTube. Episode 2, episode 3, episode 4, episode what. And then Casa Baby. Shall link in that channel and also tap on the link. Just pay 10 Ghana cedis. 10 Ghana cedis per to watch the unreleased episode. 10 Ghana cedis and sana baba to public amu biya nya biya. But all person when the secret there to your 10 Ghana cedis per. Na bo link na so edo ko channel no so straight. Na do akwa share episode 2, episode 3, episode 4, episode 5. Na nya ka so go to your old trend there o de koye bra o de koye bra ni be dia dance here. Koye bra ni be dia dance here. I love you all. Happy Christmas. Love active.
Understand music.